Hey everyone, so it's a short video today. I'm actually going to be doing a Q&A in my next video, so that one's going to be extra long. So this video today is going to be extra short. Anyway, I found the footage of me ironing the edges of that Bertha collar shoulder piece thing, so yeah. And I did tiny whip stitches to close off that open edge, if you remember back to my last video. So did tiny whip stitches all along that open edge, get rid of any raw edges, and this is what the edge looked like from the back, and that's it from the front, and then just trim off any fluff. So yeah, those are the two finished edges of the collar piece. If you want to see more of that collar thing, that's in my previous video. And as for all of this, this was some fabric that I was gifted, and I was thinking about using it for the trim on the bodice, but then I was thinking, okay, maybe I should just stick to using gold like in the actual design of Midnight Masquerade Aurora. So that's when I got the idea to use some of this gold trim that I have left over from Jasmine, and then try and, you know, do the different shapes, lines on the bodice like in the illustration. But then I didn't even like that, so I ended up buying this gold trim from AliExpress. I thought it was from eBay, but I now know it's from AliExpress. Disregard what I say in my next video where I say it's from eBay. It's actually from AliExpress. Anyway, I actually wanted to incorporate more leaves into the dress because I really liked how the silver leaf trim was looking for the shoulder piece. And then basically following where I had originally pinned that other gold trim, I used that as a guide to then pin my gold leaf trim. So I did that and pinned everywhere basically to keep all of that gold leaf trim in place. And honestly, that's about it for this video. Like I said, nice and short. Yeah, nothing much else to say. In next week's video, I will be sewing down the trim and doing a Q&A, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And finished costume photos of this dress are up on my Instagram, so it's still a while away before I'll show it up on YouTube, but definitely go to my Instagram if you want to see those photos. Okay, that's it. See ya!